Hey YouTube, Gunham here. Welcome back to part 5. Now, here in part 5 we have a lot to do, but it's all up there. And yet, there's some down here. I never did show this, but you know all that copper powder that goes to the particle accelerator making the nuclear pasta? It comes from here. All this. Little concrete, and it's just all this. All I was doing is making gargantuan amounts of copper powder. So, yeah. Next is just this massive set of line for this train, which I'll eventually head over there. But first, let's go up top. So, first off, silica and quartz. Quartz crystals for those oscillators. I really need more, so I drastically increased. Then we have silica, and then the aluminum. Double conveyor wall heading down here. We have the quartz nodes over there. Some more silica being produced over here just to help, as it is needed. Way up there is where quartz and coal are coming in. And then this is all aluminum. All this for aluminum. There's also a lake, which is getting me water. A lot of water. Now, some of them aren't quite on, but that's okay. The blue there is for something else. I'll show in a minute. So we got a bit to go here today as the dog starts barking in the background. So, first off, batteries. And, yeah, just batteries. And this is a mini warehouse. Cables, wire, copper sheets, because it was needed given all the stuff, so that warehouse is useful. But the batteries are being produced over here. First off, that other blue, which is there, which I actually need to blue up a little bit more so it matches. There we go. This is just getting sulfuric acid for the batteries, and that's, what is that? Alumina solution, right. So that's just all batteries with a byproduct of water. Byproduct of water is a lot. So, nice linear aluminum production, and this is going to be your best friend. So, you need coal, you need bauxite, extra silica, and some other stuff coming in. Your water and bauxite are here, which you need a lot of water, 360 a minute because of the power shards. So, The silica comes around and over to here, which you are going to want to awesome sink it just to guarantee you're good to go. Trust me. That's what it is. It's the coal. I need to increase the coal. So I will be showing you because I need an increase. And luckily I have power shards. So, you have your coal and your alumina solution going over to produce your scrap and your water. Water is a byproduct. Aluminum scrap is all this stuff. You want to make sure to be melting a little, but a smaller, slower conveyor line just to guarantee you're good to go. Then again, given how I need more, I'll just shut that off for now. Just have it all go to the main. I have some copper and sulfur over there. Sulfur is actually coming from farther away. Or is that copper? Whatever it is. But then we have the production. The coal generators are to get rid of all that water waste, and it produces a little bit of extra power. Good idea. Then you have all these foundries. You need a lot of foundries. And because I have more... Yep, I knew it. That's what I was worried about. Bong. Double check your things every now and then, but it can wait. So all these foundries are producing my aluminum ingots. Then I believe I only have one thing. This one here, producing these. So I actually kind of want to increase that. Well, no. Actually, all I need is for I just need more ingots coming through. Once that comes through better, they'll be fine. So, because I need more of these at the main base and our stuff, I'm going to go ahead. I believe these are needed for some nuclear stuff, so it being low is not ideal. So I'll just go ahead and increase. Oh, there are some more coming over from... Oh, it's all these. All of these are producing the same. Really? Really? Yep. That's how much I needed them. Okay. So my aluminum, alclad aluminum sheets are just here and here. Oh, that was the other way around. It's not. Alclad aluminum sheets are these two sets of assemblers. And they require the iron. Copper. Bleh. So, yeah. I needed so much that I made sure to increase more. I just forgot. So, silica's looking fine. So my issue is the coal. I have not been up here in a long time because I didn't think it was necessary. That's quite a bit of coal coming through, but at the same time there's plenty of gaps. What is trying to kill me? You want a nuclear bomb? I'll give a nuclear bomb in a minute. First, nice aim. Alright, so bauxite's from that node. Coal is from over there. So I clearly need to increase my coal production. Also, let's see if this works. Whoop. That's going to do some damage. Whack. Yeah. Boom. It does work. Alright, yeah, this I'm going to go ahead and increase to a 3. And the other one's way over here. I'm not sure I've ever shown this, actually. Bonk. These 3, is that there? Yeah, when is the last time I showed this area? Oh, that's right. I don't like coming over here because there's uranium sitting around. Because of course there is. That's only a Mark II? Well, I know what I'm doing. Oh boy. That's a problem. Big boy. Don't hit me. I need you to move away, please. Bonk. He's radioactive, in case you're wondering. Bonk. Okay, all I did was make him angry. He's not dead, he's just angry. Bonk. That hurt. I know that hurt. That landed on. Oh. Bonk. Catch. Bonk. Got him. He's radioactive, so I'm not going to go near him. What I'm going to do is this. Dunk. So yeah, these 3 things are just getting me a little extra power. Give me the nuke. So they're just giving me some extra power. Is that iron? Copper? Iron. Huh, okay. I love that the nuclear bomb works on basically all the foliage, so I can just obliterate everything if I want to. So much poison gas. I'm going to come back here with some nukes and see what happens. For now, though... Is that better? Oh, that's a lot better, but it's not good enough. Whack. That is. Yep. So, time for an upgrade. I was always wondering about this, but I figured it was okay. I should have checked. I did not. Now I'm paying the price. Do you have any idea how expensive these time crystals are? And I don't carry very many because they're so pricey. This is just going to get me close. It's not even going to be enough. Oof. And like that, I'm basically out of time crystals. And the fixating ingots are super cheap, but time crystals are expensive. But the good news is, it's coming through a lot better. Nope. Out. Yep. Okay. Alright, so that looks a little better. Oh yeah, that kind of fixed it. For now, at least. Alright, we'll get more of those things. And then I gotta do it again. Okay. Yeah, I gotta go get more of that stuff and then get the rest of that stocked up. That's annoying. But I need a lot more aluminum, clearly. It's okay. It's the aluminum. So, yeah, this just bleh. See, go and double check your thing. So, it's doing a base tour is actually great. If you're just doing it for yourself, because you can double check all the areas that you have an issue with. Like your aluminum. If I need to, I'll just shut down that thing. I'll be good to go. But because the output of these is also the silica, I want to make sure that goes away. How are you? You know what? Just guarantee that you're good. Let's turn this back on just to help melt. Bonk. Because, yeah, that's choking. This is choking, so that's not good. So by melting out here, it'll help out. It's getting there. Yep. Okay, now I need to change that, so I need this to be... Let's try a 1 for now. Will that choke you out? Ooh. Well, I see gaps over there on the Mark 6 line, so I think the Mark 1 is... No, wait, no. Well, then again... Oh, it's not running at 100%, is it? No, it's not. So that's not going to be enough. Increase it to a 2. Alright. Same stuff, different day. I'll catch you later. That's part 5. Next, I'll go to my north nuclear. And then I'll head to the over yonder. Catch you later. Bye.